In global infrastructure, few ideas are as bold as carving a new path through a continent. Headlines are buzzing about a Chinese-backed $50 billion mega-canal, an audacious plan to redraw global shipping routes. The vision, a new maritime artery to rival the Panama Canal, shifting economic power and trade for generations. This project is a cornerstone of China's Belt and Road Initiative, surfacing in two strategic locations, the Thai Canal in Southeast Asia and the now stalled Nicaraguan Canal in Central America. Both share a staggering price tag and Chinese investment. Imagine a waterway wide and deep enough for the world's largest ships, offering a shortcut that could transform global logistics. China's economic rise and political will have revived this old idea, making it more plausible than ever. A mega-canal would secure China's trade routes and project its influence into regions long dominated by others. But this is more than engineering. It's a high-stakes gamble with economic, environmental, and geopolitical consequences. Supporters see opportunity, critics warn of disaster. Is this a game-changing investment or a risky bet with global repercussions? The Thai Canal, or Kra Canal, is the centerpiece of this vision, closer to reality than ever. The plan cut a massive channel across southern Thailand's Kra Isthmus, connecting the Indian and Pacific Oceans. This would let ships bypass the congested Strait of Malacca, saving over 1,200 kilometers and days of travel. The Strait of Malacca is a vital, crowded choke point. 30% of global trade passes through it, including 80% of China's oil imports. A Thai canal would offer a secure, direct alternative, slashing costs and risks for shipping. The engineering is colossal, billions of cubic meters excavated, massive locks, and new ports for the world's largest vessels. At $50 billion, it's designed for the next century of trade. For Thailand, it promises a new economic hub. For China, a critical link in its maritime Silk Road. The canal would shift regional power, reducing the importance of the Strait of Malacca and boosting Thailand and China's influence. It's a project with the potential to reshape Southeast Asia's economic and geopolitical landscape. To grasp the impact of a new canal, consider its main rival, the Panama Canal. Since 1914, the Panama Canal has been a linchpin of global trade, connecting the Atlantic and Pacific and saving ships from the perilous Cape Horn route. It was an engineering marvel, but today faces new challenges. Ships have outgrown its original locks, and even after a 2016 expansion, congestion and drought limit its capacity. A new canal, like the Thai Canal, would be built for today's largest ships, post-Panamax vessels, and serve a different trade route, linking Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. This isn't a replacement, but a formidable competitor, poised to divert a major share of east-west trade. The motivation is clear: capture more of the booming shipping market and offer a faster, cheaper, more reliable route. For China, building such a canal is a strategic coup, reducing reliance on foreign-controlled waterways and projecting power globally. Just as the Panama Canal symbolized American dominance, a new mega-canal could mark China's rise in the 21st century. The stakes are commercial and geopolitical. The world's shipping map could be redrawn. Supporters of the Thai Canal envision transformative economic growth. Construction would create thousands of jobs and inject billions into the local economy. Once operational, the canal would anchor a new logistics hub, spurring investment in ports, industry, and trade zones. For Thailand, it could mean a leap in GDP and a path out of poverty for many regions. China's interest is strategic. The canal would solve its Malacca dilemma, providing a secure route for vital imports. It's also a flagship for the Belt and Road Initiative, deepening China's influence in Southeast Asia. Canal diplomacy could shift regional alliances, making Thailand and its neighbors more dependent on Beijing. Proponents see the canal as a tool for prosperity and a new regional order. The promise economic boom, security, and global prestige. Critics warn the mega-canal is a risky gamble with enormous downsides. The $50 billion price tag is staggering. Many doubt the canal could ever pay for itself. For Thailand, the risk of crippling debt is real. Failed mega-projects have left nations in financial ruin before. If revenue falls short, Thailand could lose control of the canal to creditors, raising sovereignty concerns. Environmental costs are severe: vast forests cleared, fragile ecosystems destroyed, and pollution threatening fisheries and biodiversity. The Nicaraguan canal plan, for example, sparked outrage over potential ecological catastrophe. Human costs are high too. Thousands could be displaced, communities uprooted, and livelihoods lost. Lack of transparency and public consultation often fuels unrest and opposition. The social and environmental fallout is often downplayed by those focused on grand economic promises. The risks are as monumental as the canal itself. The failed Nicaragua Canal offers a cautionary tale. In 2013, a Chinese billionaire won a concession to build a $50 billion canal across Nicaragua, promising jobs and prosperity. But the project quickly unraveled. No transparency, no credible studies, and the developer's fortune collapsed. Today, the canal is a cuento chino, a tall tale, not a reality. This isn't unique. Many Chinese-backed megaprojects stall or fail. A 2023 report found only 35% of China-funded projects in Southeast Asia are completed. By contrast, Japanese-funded projects have a much higher completion rate. The pattern grand announcements, but few results. Sometimes the prestige of a big project outweighs real economic logic. Local elites chase kickbacks, leaders seek legacy. Building for the sake of building rarely delivers lasting benefits. The lesson, vision, and money aren't enough. Execution, transparency, and real economic value are essential. Without them, even the boldest projects can collapse. Can the new mega canal surpass the Panama Canal, or is it destined to remain a dream? The strategic and commercial logic is strong, a shortcut for trade, a new economic hub, and a solution to China's vulnerabilities. The ambition is real, and the engineering is possible. But the obstacles, cost, debt, environmental and social fallout, are immense. The shadow of failed projects like Nicaragua looms large, and China's track record is mixed. Success will require transparency, environmental care, and true partnership, not just money and ambition. Without a clear, viable plan, the project risks controversy and delay. The Panama Canal remains the world's shipping linchpin. For now, the Chinese mega canal is more dream than reality, a glimpse of a future that may never arrive. The world watches, but the map remains unchanged.